Okay, just first I make it this character. So you can make its first line, circle for heat. First circle, I make first circle for heat. Okay, and fine. So first circle, make the circle like this. Okay, one circle. After the circle, you just make it. Okay, here one more circle. Okay, you can make it here the more one circle. This is for eyes. Okay, first make one circle and then make here one circle like this. Okay, and here you make another like this, just like this. Okay, here is do one another like this. Aram se take time. Yeah, ma'am, Rajit Chandra, right? Ma'am, can you on your this option, that rotate option in your mobile? You can see rotate option, and you can see the full screen. Okay. Now you can see only this view, right? So go to the your when you see the full screen, no, you on your rotate option, portrait and auto rotate, portrait and auto rotate. This option you on, and you can see, you can put your camera like this and can see full screen. Okay, ma'am, just do these things. Otherwise, it's a very small drawing. You can see. Okay, the next step is you can try to draw the oval. The head is a circle. Head is a circle. Head is circle, but the body is the oval. I just make it oval. See, like this. এখন see, this is the oval first draw, and you add it. You add it like this. Okay, आराम से. Understood, Projit? Okay, done that much. Please show head and body. Rajit, can you show your drawing, beta? Yeah, Lini, if you finish that much, you can show. Alini? Yeah, Lini. If you're that much done, can you show? Now I just do here two leg, one leg. First I divided this one here. See, I divided to one. This is a lower part. This is the lower part of body. Okay. So here I can draw the two legs. One leg like this. Okay, just like this, one leg, and make another leg like this. Okay, this two leg and down, and you make it. Okay, another leg. Another hand is here. One hand. Just make it like this. See, it's very simple. One and another leg from here. Big two. Okay, two leg, two hand is first, upper two hand, lower two hand. Okay, okay, and do some like this, very simple line. Okay, you make some bubble, water bubble like this, so it's look like a inside the water. Okay, first do this slowly, the basic shape. And show me, okay, if you finish, make it slowly, okay, aram se, take it time. So when it's fine, finish, you can go ahead to the next color. Rajit, I just make it the color of this. So make it the I do the some nice, you know, the fresh color, fresh lining, and then I can make color. Rajit beta, you understood my talking? Rajit, beta, if you understand my talking, please, answer me. You understood? Anywhere you facing problem? Okay, very simple. Take time. Done. You can start the color. I put the green color over here. And the heads and legs are all this color, green color. Okay. Aram se take time. Okay, Pragat. Understand beta? Bajit. Okay, and the top this chairs I'm using the gray color. The brown color. Okay, all this small circles you can use a brown. Inside the green. This town color also, yellow ochre. Okay, put the yellow ochre first, and then you can put the green, brown. Make it green color. Aram se do this. Understand, Prajit? Okay, take time, आराम से do this. Understand, Yalini, Projesh?